I want to come in here and be so shy, y'all. Hey guys, how are you? My name is Whitney. Do I need to reintroduce myself? Do I? Should I? But hey guys, my name is Whitney. I just want to thank you all first and foremost for just riding this wave with me. Uh, I wanted to come on here and just provide a life update. First, thanking everyone who has subscribed to my channel. We're almost at 900 subscribers, guys, and I am humbled yet so grateful because I know how hard it is here on YouTube. So, thank you, thank you, thank you for riding with me despite my lack of consistency. But because I'm so appreciative, I wanted to come on here and give you all a life update and take you all on this journey with me. So, I know I haven't been posting, and I believe I did a video back in early November stating how I'm going to be consistent, how I want my channel to go, how I have so many great ideas for this channel, and it just stopped. It went away after that video, and it wasn't due to my own personal doing, honestly. And I'm just gonna come out and say it, y'all. Listen, back on November 30th of 2023, I was in the middle of fixing my Christmas tree. I'm gonna make long story short because this story is long. And matter of fact, I think I'll do a full story time about it, but this isn't the time. November 30th of last year, I was fixing my Christmas tree because y'all gotta have my Christmas tree up December 1st because I was so excited. I was renovating the kitchen. If you see the previous video, I wrapped my entire kitchen. I painted the entire apartment, and I was so excited. I really was ready to post. And that same exact day, unfortunately, I had an apartment fire. My apartment caught on fire, and I have been displaced ever since. So that's why I haven't been posting much. Honestly, I didn't even have access to my things. The things that were able to salvage from the fire, I didn't have access to it. I do have some things in storage, having to go get these things. And typically, my channel was about fashion. I do beauty products, nails. I don't have makeup on. Okay, I don't have makeup on. So I didn't have access to much, and I've been rebuilding ever since. I am now gaining access to a lot of things that I did have. I am rebuilding my closet. To be honest with you, my mindset shifted a lot about a lot of the things that I did have, like things that I probably should have replaced, but now was it really worth it? So normally this channel was on fashion hauls, and I don't have anywhere to put things. When I'm buying clothes for, honestly, there were times I probably placed like 2 orders, like probably like 2 Fashion Nova orders. That's probably it. I have not been on Shein placing orders. I have not been thrifting. Okay. So I didn't have much to provide to you all. I have gotten into the Gel-X thing. As you can see, I've posted a few shorts on it, but I didn't have much to tell, aside from taking y'all on the life journey that I went through, which is typically not what I post on this channel, and I probably can. And I'm a bit more open to it now and taking y'all on the journey, just a journey of life with me, right? During this process, I had to rearrange a lot of things. I'm talking about packing up my entire apartment, clean out my entire apartment, putting things in storage, things that I could keep. And I didn't even go through everything. I'm going through hell with my insurance company. Almost purchased a home last second minute, right before the deadline. I chicken out of the whole entire process and haven't started yet. I'm still currently displaced, meaning I don't have a permanent home location, but I'm comfortable with where I'm at, where I feel like I can, get back on track to where things used to be. So all of that to say, I'm here, I'm present, fully present. I appreciate you all. I thank you all for joining me. I thank you all for still commenting on my videos. I thank you all, those who are just asking me for updates. It's motivation, right? Because you all still want to see me. You still want to see my content. You still care about the things that I care about and want to know updates on it. And I'm grateful. It's love. I appreciate it. I'm here. Thank you again. We're going to start back posting things. I do have a few things that I want to talk about. We'll see what works on this channel, what doesn't work. But I thank you all. Thank you for joining.